Incredible wagyu beef hummus. That is ridiculously good. Throw away your cans and make sure you soak chickpeas overnight. Transfer them to a pot or pressure cooker. Then submerge them with clean water. Add in a tiny kiss of baking soda. And then we're gonna pressure cook this on high for 20 minutes. Or you could boil them in a pot for a couple hours, skimming the foam off the top. But the goal here is to cook these to absolute smithereens. Now, very importantly, I strained them and I'm gonna allow them to cool. It's time to drop them into your food processor. And then you're gonna add your tahina, aka sesame paste. And then this gets its first blitz. Now, after a minute, it's mixed but still kind of thick. Drop in a few ice cubes, your splash of lemon juice, and then give this another mix. Now, after another minute, it'll get closer to the texture you want. Just give it a scrape down on the sides. Give it the salt that it needs. And if it's too thick, add a little bit more ice or cold water. And again, I'll say this garlic is an optional ingredient in here, but olive oil is a topping, not an ingredient. It'll change the flavor. Now, this needs one more go. This is what hummus dreams are made of. Now it's time for the fun part. This is some Australian wagyu, and their fat grade is BMS9. Just look how gorgeous that is. Cut them into some beautiful chunks. Then allow the chunks of fat to melt in your pan. Drop in the beautiful steak. Then towards the end, add some pine nuts, a tiny splash of paprika, and then just finish with a pinch of salt. Now we poured it on our hummus. I'm gonna scoop it up with some pita, and as always, now bismillah. Let me